Most people with fatty liver don't even realize they're making their condition worse every single day. Maybe you've been diagnosed recently. Maybe your doctor mentioned elevated liver enzymes. Or maybe you're dealing with fatigue, stubborn belly fat, brain fog, or low energy. And you're trying to eat healthier, but nothing seems to change. Here's the truth that surprises many people. Fatty liver doesn't usually get worse because of one big mistake. It gets worse because of small daily habits that seem harmless. Today, you're going to learn the 3 biggest mistakes that silently worsen fatty liver, and simple changes that can help your liver start healing. Stay with this because mistake number 3 is the one most people never suspect. Mistake number 1, eating healthy, foods that are actually high in sugar. This is one of the most common and dangerous mistakes. Many people with fatty liver cut out junk food, but replace it with things like fruit juice, smoothies, flavored yogurt, granola, honey, or agave, low-fat packaged snacks. They think they're making healthier choices, but here's what's really happening. When you consume excess sugar, especially fructose, your liver converts it directly into fat. That fat builds up inside liver cells. Even natural sugars can contribute if consumed in large amounts. Signs this may be happening: belly fat that won't go away, afternoon energy crashes, cravings for sweets, rising triglycerides. What to do instead? Eat whole fruits instead of juice, avoid sweetened drinks, choose plain yogurt instead of flavored. Focus on protein and fiber at meals, limit added sugars, even natural ones. Your liver doesn't care if the sugar came from soda or a smoothie. Excess is still excess. Mistake number 2, avoiding fat and eating too many refined carbs. For years, people were told to eat low fat. So many with fatty liver avoid fats completely and load up on white bread, pasta, rice, crackers, breakfast cereals. Here's the problem. Refined carbohydrates quickly turn into glucose. When your body has more glucose than it needs, your liver converts the extra into fat. This process is called de novo lipogenesis, and it's a major cause of fatty liver. At the same time, avoiding healthy fats makes meals less satisfying, which leads to more snacking and cravings. What to do instead? Replace refined carbs with whole foods, include healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds. Pair carbs with protein and fiber. Choose whole grains in moderation instead of refined ones. Healthy fats actually help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, support liver healing. The goal isn't low fat, it's balanced, real food. Mistake number 3, sitting too much and moving too little. This is the silent mistake most people underestimate. You might be trying to eat better, but if you spend most of your day sitting, your metabolism slows down. When your muscles are inactive, your body burns less glucose, insulin resistance increases, more fat is stored, including in the liver. Even people who exercise for 30 minutes a day can still be at risk if they sit the rest of the time. Signs inactivity may be affecting you: feeling sluggish even after eating well, weight gain despite dieting, poor blood sugar control. What to do instead? Walk for 10-15 minutes after meals, stand or stretch every hour. Aim for at least 7,000, 10,000 steps per day. Include simple strength exercises 2 to 3 times per week. You don't need extreme workouts. Consistent daily movement helps your liver burn stored fat, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation. Bringing it all together. If you're struggling with fatty liver, focus on these 3 changes. Reduce sugar, especially drinks and hidden sugars. Replace refined carbs with whole foods and healthy fats. Move your body throughout the day. When you combine these habits, many people begin to see more energy within weeks, reduced bloating and cravings, improved liver enzymes in a few months, gradual reduction in liver fat. And here's something important to remember: your liver is incredibly resilient. Fatty liver is one of the few conditions that can often be reversed with the right lifestyle changes. You don't need extreme diets, you don't need expensive detox products. You need consistent daily habits that reduce the burden on your liver. Final takeaway: if you've been feeling stuck, frustrated, or overwhelmed, start small. Today, swap sugary drinks for water. Choose whole foods over processed carbs. Take a short walk after your next meal. Small changes, real progress. Because when you stop making the mistakes that overload your liver, your body does something amazing. it starts to heal, one small step at a time.